Hey, Big Mac! I've just heard from Sunny Seaplane that Hercules has got the Princess Alice in tow.
Sounds serious.
Yeah, be damaged to see.
Not another one of your disasters, were you?
Not me. Honest.
I was joking. Come on, we'll tell OG and the go out and bring her in.
Yeah, anything to help the Princess Alice.
Out in the estuary, Zebedee was trying yet again to carry out Captain Zero's orders.
Oh!
What the? Who's that?
Oh! Out here!
Oh no, Coast Guard.
It wasn't his lucky day. Zebedee had enough on his deck as it was, but he couldn't ignore someone in trouble.
Never thought I'd be glad to see you, Zebedee.
What? Oh dear, how's a Coast Guard that get in this mess?
Johnny Cuba pushed me into the rocks. My engine's dead. I need a tow.
Johnny who?
Don't play dumb with me. I hear Zero and Johnny are good buddies.
Not anymore. Captain Zero is...
So you do know him?
Hey? Oh yeah, no, I just come by here to see if a ship might need a tow, you know, with all these winds and that, you know.
Salvage is what you're after. Well, you'll get me something if you get me in a port, I'm sure.
You'll need repairs. I'll take you to Lucky's yard. Hi, Zebedee. Big Mac, will you? Good day to you, Coast Guard. Nothing serious, I hope.
Chasing and cooking salvage by a cook, that's all.
You'll survive it.
My guess is you've taken that gangster somewhere, Zebedee. Come on, own up. Where?
All I did was just bring him past the harbour bar. I said I had to let him go before, because I'd work to do. Where it went after that, I don't know.
I have a good mind to run you in for questioning.
Eh?
Captain Zero will hear about this. He won't like it. You know that.
I do. Some thanks I get for rescuing you.